In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a read-only channel in Discord Mobile. So once you're in Discord, head over to your server. As you can see, I'm in Bradley's server, which is my server. I'm then going to create a new channel. So I'm going to click on text channels and hold down on it. And from here, we can go ahead and click create channel. Now we can give this channel a name. I'll just call this channel rules, and we'll say that we're going to have rules in here and it's only going to be a read-only channel. You can then go ahead and click on create in the top right hand corner. Then go inside of that channel. So click on the channel, then click on the channel name at the top. Then we can go to settings in the top right hand corner. Once you've done that, you need to go to channel permissions, then head over from basic view to advanced view. Then click where it says roles at everyone, and you need to go ahead and stop people from sending messages. So scroll down to text channel permissions, and here we can see send messages. You want to click on the red circle, send messages in threads. We don't want them to do that. Public threads, no. Create private threads, no. And basically go down and remove access for everyone to message and use these features. There may be some that you want to keep, like message history. We'll go ahead and leave that one. Send voice messages, no. Text to speech messages, no. And create polls, no. So once we've entered the correct permissions here, we can then go back and back again, and then back once more. So now you'll be able to type in this if you are Discord server admin, but other people that join your Discord server won't be able to type, as it will now be read only. They may be able to type though if they are administrator or you've given them special permissions. But apart from that, that is how I would do it. I hope that video helped you out.